and welcome to Polymer Update. This is Simran Choudhary and you're watching Polymer Update TV, the world's first and only TV network with free petrochemicals news show. Our special news reel today is sponsored by Bangalore-based Ravago Manufacturing India Private Limited. Let's start with energy news. Crude futures spiked on Tuesday after the US Treasury Secretary signaled that a respite is possible in the trade war with China. Prices also firmed as Washington imposed sanctions on Venezuelan state-owned oil firm PDVSA. Brent finished at $61.32, a sharp rise of $1.39 per barrel, while WTI traded at $53.31, a spike of $1.32 per barrel. According to Vandana Hari of Vanda Insights, crude futures were trading sideways early Wednesday in Asia amid a mixed open of the region's major stock markets. A high-level Chinese delegation in Washington is due to begin 2 days of trade negotiations later Wednesday, an event that will be the main focus of investors across the globe, waiting to recalibrate their expectations on economic growth. The outcome of the meeting will also be the main influencer of sentiment in the oil markets. Open spec naphtha prices meanwhile slipped sharply by $11 per metric ton to the $485 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels. Moving on to the Asian market update for PP, PE and PVC in PP. In Far East Asia, PP prices inched higher by $10 per metric ton this week. The price rise was supported by higher import offers from overseas producers coupled with deals concluded at higher price levels in the region. In Southeast Asia and India, prices of PP were assessed steady amid dull regional demand trends. In PE, in Far East Asia, Southeast Asia and South Asia, prices of HDPE climbed by $10 to $20 per metric ton. Prices firmed mainly on account of bullish upstream ethylene values, stronger import offers from overseas suppliers, and deals sealed at higher price levels in the region. LDPE prices in the Far East and Southeast Asian regions gained by $5 to $10 per metric ton. The price rise was in line with stronger import offers from overseas producers and deals concluded at higher price levels in the region. Stronger ethylene feedstock rates further supported the price rise. In India, LDPE prices witnessed a rise of $15 per metric ton. Reports of improved buying sentiments coupled with deals sealed at higher price levels in the region together supported the price rise. This week, LLDPE prices in the Far East and Southeast Asian regions gained by $10 to $25 per metric ton. The price rise was triggered by stronger import offers, bullish upstream ethylene values, and deals sealed at higher price levels in the region. In India, prices of LLDPE remained stable this week. The purchase pulse was reported as steady in the region. Today morning, Middle Eastern producers have announced their LLDPE import offers at the $1,000 per metric ton levels for February 2019 shipment. However, deals are not heard to have been concluded at these price levels. In PVC prices in China, Southeast Asia and India were assessed stable this week. Buying sentiments were reported as steady in the region. In domestic market news and market rumors, most market players are of the opinion that PVC and PP prices may be increased by 1 to 1 rupee 50 paisa per kg basic, while a few are of the opinion that prices may be rolled over by domestic producers this week. HDPE, LDPE and LLDPE prices are likely to be rolled over. Incentive scheme in HDPE may be withdrawn. PET prices are expected to be raised by 1 to 3 rupees per kg basic or may be left unchanged. Polymer Update has introduced news and price analysis on Amazon Alexa virtual assistant using Echo and other devices. The platform lets subscribers check latest news and prices just by asking Echo or any other Alexa-enabled device. This is the first of its kind on Amazon Alexa, so do read the kind of questions that you can ask to Amazon Alexa about Polymer Update. Our special news reel today is sponsored by Bangalore-based Ravago Manufacturing India Private Limited, a global specialist in reprocessing and compounding of PC, ABS, nylons, PP and POM. The company has also started a manufacturing unit in Vadodara, India. That's all for today's Polymer News. Watch our daily news video tomorrow to know more. It is Wednesday, January 30th. I am Simran Choudhary. Thank you.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/polymerupdate and be sure to click the like button. You can also find us on Twitter at Polymerupdate. For the latest news from the plastics and petrochemicals industry, subscribe to our YouTube channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.